ocean, what do we see? Dolphins and fish swimming so free. Crabs on the sand and shells by the shore. Splash in the waves, feel the sea breeze. Ocean adventures, such a tease. Turtles so gentle, gliding with grace. Starfish and seahorses find their place. Coral reefs vibrant, colors so bright. Ocean waves dancing day and night. Splash in the waves, feel the sea breeze. Mermaids are singing a magical tune under the waves beneath the moon. Octopus waving with all of its arms. Jellyfish floating with soft gentle charms. Whales singing songs so deep and grand. So if you visit the beach someday, look at the waves and hear them say, come join the fun under the sea. Ocean waves calling wild and free. Splash in the waves, feel the sea breeze.